There it goes.
The engine.
Woo! All right, Audra, come get it. What does it look like?
It looks fine. I didn't think anything happened.
That was cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What'd you think?
I didn't see it.
What place did you get?
First.
This is the winning rocket.
Should it be hot or anything?
No, I don't know.
Hot.
Is it?
It's hot. Like that.